Learn new vocabulary. It is time to discover a few new words. Today, we are going to learn about holidays and special events. Repeat after me. Halloween. Trick or treat. Jack-o'-lantern. New Year's Eve. Christmas. Christmas carolers. Santa Claus Village. Diwali. Diwali candle. Easter. Easter egg. Easter egg hunt. Hanukkah. Dreidel. Menorah. St. Patrick's Day. Shamrock. Valentine's Day. Chocolate heart box. Thanksgiving. Turkey. Cranberry sauce. Lantern Festival. Kwanzaa. Unity Cup of Kwanzaa. Lunar New Year. Firecracker. Birthday. Wedding. Black Friday. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Great job! See you soon.